Chapter 9, Maintenance Calendar. Welcome to this module where you can access maintenance calendars to help you efficiently schedule and manage upcoming work dates. To get started, navigate to the Maintenance module and select the Equipment option. It is crucial to understand the meaning of each icon. The equipment has scheduled maintenance for the current day. The equipment has routine maintenance coming up. The mentioned activity is next on the list of scheduled maintenance. Subsequent activities will be scheduled based on the date of the next maintenance, making this date tentative. There are activities that are overdue. The dates of the activities have been adjusted by the user. The dates of the activities have been adjusted by the user, but the changes have not been saved yet. In the list of registered equipment, choose the equipments you wish to view. Then, in the submenu, click on the Maintenance Calendars button. In the new screen, specify the number of months to display and click on Calculate. The Maintenance Calendar highlights the days with scheduled maintenance activities. The detailed maintenance board provides a comprehensive list of activities scheduled for a specific period, along with their execution dates. The Scheduled Downtime board displays planned downtimes for all equipment within the selected date range, which can span up to 12 months. It also outlines the activities requiring these downtimes. Lastly, the detailed maintenance board by month showcases all activities scheduled for a minimum of 12 months up to a 12-year outlook.